Hey gang, welcome back to another video. I just want to show you what I received in the mail. I did purchase this with my own money. This is a Seagate IronWolf 12 terabyte NAS internal hard drive. It's got 72 RPMs is the speed, 7,200 RPMs. It's a SAT, it's an SATA 6 gigabytes. Slash 7,200 RPMs, 256 cache. And this is how it comes. This is the frustration-free packaging. So a lot of times you see these you don't understand what they're about, but this is what it looks like. It's just basically a cardboard box. Open up the cardboard box, as you can see here, and simply it is just a hard drive in a box. Basically, that's all there is. Nothing else really to do. You just need a pair of scissors to open it up. But I really wanted to show you, because a lot of times there are no videos, to really give you an example of what they look like. So I wanted to make one and just show you. So this is what it is. Comes like this here with the bumpers on the side here that give you protection from shipping. That's how it comes, just like you see here. And you take off these two sides, and that's it. That's all you need to know. So you just take it out, pair of scissors to cut it and take it out of the package. It's very beefy. It's very heavy. You can see it's 12 terabyte IronWolf. This is for NAS and DAS systems. So if you have a NAS, something like that, like a backup system, this is what you need. This is for long-term storage. It runs and runs and runs and always runs. That's what it's designed to do. So it's heavy duty. It's got a lot of vibration dampeners built into it, and it's just heavier than the average hard drive, and it's just beefier. And it's designed for that. And so it's a really nice quality product. I highly recommend this. So definitely just want to show you what it looks like, give you an example, and just show you what frustration packaging looks like. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed the review. See you at the next review.